Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to use these. I'll start with a small one. So what we're going to do is just there. We're going to take these off first. This is not the best screwdriver in the world, but it'll work. Now, hopefully they haven't painted these on here. I don't know what they did when they repainted here. I'll find out in a second. Looks like it might be stuck. Well, maybe I won't be able to get these off. What did they do? Now, when they did this, they put it on wet. And they have to get something to write it on. I don't believe this. I wonder if they painted all of them on here. Okay. Took a little bit to get this one off because they painted and then they stuck those on real quick. Okay. So we're gonna, this is the design on this one. And when you get them, you'll see that these are painted to match. So make sure you put it in the part of the design. And be careful when you put it on because you don't want to chip the paint on the hopefully I'm where the hole is here. Sorry about that. I've got to look and see where the hole is on this. Good. There we go. Okay. There it is. Okay. So there you have it. There's the one. Let me move this closer so you can see it a little better. I'm pretty far away. There you have it. And So I'll take this off. This is the small size, regular size. This is the worst screwdriver. Oh my God. So anyway, there you have it. This is the one. And I'm going to be gifting this small one, so if anybody wants to put in for that, let me know. Here is the larger one. The poinsettias. See if we can find the hole a little easier this time. Would help if I had some. Let me turn on the light here so I can actually see. There, that might help. If I can see a little better. Oops. Should be here. Oh my God, I've got to get a better. This thing is so bad. Oh. Well, you'll want a better screwdriver than this. This one is actually, it's too big for the head of the screws. It doesn't fit in there well. So I'm tearing off the paint. So I'm putting this on. So I'll have to repaint these. But Okay, so there, you can see I'll repaint those screws. I have got to get, look at this thing. Look how big the, it doesn't fit hardly in there. So here is the poinsettia one. So anyway, there you have it, the first two. It's been a long time since I've made these, so it's kind of like, it took me a while. But anyway, these are fun. And I'll show you when I get my chili pepper one done for the kitchen. I'm doing chili peppers, and then I'm doing some music notes for in the music room. So that'll be a lot of fun. So I'll show you those when I get done with them. But now, I'm going to take that one off and pack it up again. Tomorrow, I've got to get a better screwdriver. Ronald must have gotten this in one of those really cheap kits. It's so bad. Anyway, that's it for this evening. I'm going to bed. It must be at least 1 o'clock now, and Mr. Max has come out and looked at me a few times and goes, "Why are you still out there?" So I will leave this for today, and I'll see you online in the morning. Have a great evening, or a great day, because it's already the next morning. Thanks for tuning in.